They're rolling down because they cannot slide down. They just roll down.
Rolling down the hills.
Yeah, rolling down like a baggage. Poor kids. This is too German. I'm listening.
The snow just whipping around.
Yeah.
What a blizzard.
It is indeed a blizzard. The last blizzard I knew that happened in
Grüße
Virginia
aus Nürnberg.
was in
Das ist wie
96.
ein Liebkuchen, ne, wo man das da hier.
Oh, Lebkuchen would be perfect right now over here. But I cannot drink. I cannot drink anymore.
Yeah, well, I forgot to bring it to your place when I was there.
Yeah, but it was not cold when you were here.
You know, I forgot to bring that because
Do you have Lebkuchen all year round?
huh?
Was it the time for Lebkuchen when you came?
Over here, yeah.
I don't know.
Right now is the time for Liebkuchen because a lot of foreigners and tourists are coming in this place,
Yeah.
and you know they're making big money out of it because the Asians, the Chinese, Japanese, all Americans, and you know a lot of those people are coming here because of the Christmas.
Christkindlesmark.
Christkindlesmark.
Right.
Huh?
You're on YouTube.
You're on YouTube. We're shooting a video of you.
I am YouTube.
You will be in
Yeah.
a few minutes.
You will be.
Where? Oh, okay. You can send it to in the Philippines.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's okay. You
Guys,
can-
look at
you
this
can
snow.
say-
Snow is blinding. Oh my gosh. This snow is blinding. It's coming down such big. Oh my gosh.
Let's take the YouTube there. You can shine us here. Take YouTube here.
Okay.
What's this?
Oh, come. Elsie disappeared.
Wait.
Yeah. Ah,
Say hello.
Hello.
hello,
Biggie.
China.
Hey kids.
Good, good. Undo. Undo. Bigate's there. He does not hear.
Bom dia.
Undir, Bigates. He doesn't understand my German now, really. Bigates there, China. He's not hearing me. She's watching TV.
She's not hearing you because I have the headphone.
Oh!